Compressed air is often called the fourth utility of industrial plants, powering everything from pneumatic tools and instrumentation to production lines. Yet few people think about the engineering behind it, how the air is produced, why it matters, and what it takes to keep critical operations running around the clock. Today, as industries move toward cleaner, more efficient operations, oil-free centrifugal compressors are playing a rapidly expanding role in helping facilities meet their energy, reliability, and sustainable goals, a mission that FS-Elliott has spent decades perfecting.
Today, we are in our headquarters here in Western Pennsylvania, where we design, manufacture, and produce gas and air compressors to the United States and ship all over the globe as well. Compressed air is that hidden utility that's vital to a manufacturing industry.
Most of my machines in my factory, they rely on air. If the air system goes down, it absolutely is critical to the operation itself.
Oil-free has been growing over the years, and it's very safe, energy efficient, and easy to operate.
Many facilities continue to move towards oil-free centrifugal compressed air technology, as they are highly reliable and highly efficient compressed air solutions that prevent oil migration into a manufacturer's airstream. This is an advantage for a manufacturer as it leads to improved product quality as well as increases the longevity of their process equipment.
Centrifugal compression is all about aerodynamic precision. Each component works together to move large volumes of air efficiently. But the real performance advantage comes from tailoring those aerodynamics to match the plant's conditions, its temperatures, elevations, pressures, and load demands. This engineering approach is central to reducing energy consumption and delivering clean, oil-free air consistently over the life of the equipment.
Critical Airend components within the compressor package, such as impellers, are key to ensuring operational efficiency, performance, and stability of the air compressor package. These parts are all precisely engineered and manufactured to meet site-specific application needs that allow manufacturing facilities to achieve lowest energy cost possible, as well as the highest reliability from increased compressor uptime.
Making sure that we design the system for real-world application so that we can realize the full potential of the compressor system for our customer and the efficiency of the overall system.
No two customers are the same, so we want to make sure that we're not oversizing or undersizing the compressor, because that is the best way to get the most efficient performance and long-term reliability for the customer.
At FS-Elliott, behind every centrifugal compressor is a level of engineering validation most people never see. Each unit undergoes full load testing, measuring vibration, temperature stability, efficiency curves, and overall performance.
Full load testing is a key to ensuring that we have a successful startup, making sure that the dependability of the machine is exactly what the customer needs.
Every compressor that we manufacture, we test. That way we can ensure that our customers can have the utmost confidence that we're receiving a compressor that is going to provide them years and years of reliable operation.
Building a world-class compressor isn't just about how it performs on day one. It's about how it can be serviced throughout its life. That's why FS-Elliott engineers its compressors with a fully field removable, horizontally split Airend, giving operators direct access to the heart of the machine. No major teardown, no extended outages. Just faster, more predictable maintenance that keeps plants running.
On our machines, the heart of the compressor, what we call the Airend, our design allows for that to be fully removable. Additionally, that whole design is what we call horizontally split. You can take the lid off and access all the bearings, all the seals, all the gearing. It makes it really easy for a customer to see and do maintenance on their own.
It is a service-friendly design. You're providing faster and safer access to maintenance for field service technicians or customer maintenance personnel. In addition, you're reducing downtime associated with overhauls.
Industrial plants are entering a new era, one shaped by digital controls, predictive insights, and modernization programs that help facilities reduce energy use, stabilize demand, and plan maintenance before issues arise. With more than 60 years of experience in air and gas compression, much of it earned in some of the toughest environments in oil and gas, the company applies that engineering heritage to support modern manufacturing. through lifecycle services, rapid response parts and storage centers, and continuous modernization upgrades. FS-Elliott helps customers achieve the uptime and performance their operations depend on.
Modernized automation systems allow plant operators and plant managers to view real-time compressor operating information. This information can be then analyzed to ensure that we are making proactive adjustments within the compressed air system, as well as leading to increased reliability and efficiency of the compressed air package.
So we have machines that some of them are 50 or 60 years old. Because of our design, we're able to basically give that machine a new heart and a new brain, essentially. By doing aero performance upgrades, we can change the performance to how the customer needs it to operate now versus 40 or 50 years ago. And then from a control standpoint, we're giving it the right smarts to better operate that compressor so it stays in its most efficient areas so that the customer can get the best bang for their buck, so to speak.
Digitalization contributes to trending and predictive maintenance. It provides insight and allows early detection of wear and tear that's associated with the normal operation of machinery. So that's going to translate to cost savings and operational reliability because you're detecting that wear and tear prior to it becoming actually problematic.
It's this focus on insight, reliability, and efficiency that defines modern compressed air systems. At any second of the day, around the world, an FS-Elliott compressor is operating, delivering the clean, reliable air required to keep critical industrial processes running. As manufacturers raise expectations for efficiency, reliability, and sustainability, oil-free centrifugal compression has become the standard for high-performance operations, and FS-Elliott continues to lead that evolution. For more information, visit fs-elliott.com.